Hey guys, Mark Holthe here, Canadian immigration lawyer, ex-immigration officer, and former high school teacher. I am back, or at least I will be, in approximately 55 minutes, going live today at noon Mountain Standard Time. I have been teasing you guys about going live again, but I had so much going on with my new law firm, Holthe Immigration Law, that I just launched about a week and a half ago. Now, obviously, it has been super busy because it's right in the midst of our Christmas holidays and New Year's. And so I've had so much going on getting all of this new office set up that it has prevented me from doing these EE Live Q&As. However, I am back. And if you tune in 55 minutes, you will be able to, and you can see right here, mholthe at holthelaw.com. That is where you're going to send your questions if you have questions that you want me to answer. Don't forget to put EE Live Q&A in the subject line. And I will tell you all about the new firm, how it's been going, and I'm going to spend a bunch of time answering your live questions about express entry. So, this is Mark Holthe, Canadian immigration lawyer, founder of Holthe Immigration Law, the Canadian Immigration Institute, the Canadian Immigration Podcast, and a slew of videos out there on YouTube, the Canadian Immigration Institute's YouTube channel. So join me, and I'll see you guys in about 55 minutes. And I also have a special guest that's joining me as well. So stay tuned for a live guest. All right, guys, we'll see you in about 55 minutes. Take care.